So we just got in the Skullcandy Train wireless Bluetooth speaker, and it's time to unbox it. Now, I'm very excited to check this thing out because, honestly, it's been a while since I got a new Bluetooth speaker. I also want to thank Skullcandy for sending us this. Now, I want to say it does come in 3 different color options. You guys can see here I've got it in red. I'm hoping it looks nice. You could also get it in black and a really light blue color. Now, the box design on this is pretty spiffy. I think it looks pretty nice. Yeah, for sure. Now, the stock photos of it in red look good, so we'll see what happens here. Now, this thing currently sells for about $60. It's a mid to small speaker on the size. That's pretty cool. They got the Skullcandy logo on the inside box. That looks awesome. All right, struggling to open it, but here we go. All right, there it is. All right, before I take it out of the actual packaging, I do want to see what else comes in the box here. I'm imagining some kind of charging cable, maybe instruction manual, and maybe some stickers. If we're lucky, we'll get some stickers in here. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah, we got a sticker. Very cool. Now, I got to say, I really like the Skullcandy logo. I think it looks awesome. And, yeah. All right, then we got some instruction manuals, etc., etc. Now, I do have to point out this speaker does have a 14-hour battery life. It's got a nylon wrist strap, and it's got true wireless stereo speakers. So let's take a look. Oh, yeah. All right, this thing looks very fresh. I like the red. Now, it's got a good feel to it. Got the Skullcandy logo on the, looks like the bottom and top of it. And I think we got to power this thing on. Let's turn it on. Is that the right button? All right. Okay. All right, I figured it out, grabbed my Galaxy Z Flip 5 so we can check out some of the audio quality on this. And really what I'm going to do here is play 2 different things for you guys. I'm going to throw up a actual like trailer. It's almost like a movie trailer, but it's for a game. I'm going to put this on full blast, let it play through, and then I'm also going to do a little bit of gaming on it so we can just hear the sound quality on that. Of course, as we're, making our way through this, if you guys wanted to, check the speaker out, we'll have some great resources below, but let's blast this thing and see what it can do.
Godless barbarians. They murder and kill blindly.
What is the soul of a man?
They scar the lands of England. Lands they will never defend, never love. The time has come to speak to them in a language they will understand.
Oh, somebody tell me. Answer if you can. Oh, somebody tell me. Shields! What is the soul of man?
All right, so I'm going to wrap things up saying that this speaker is awesome. For 60 bucks, it's super loud. You got 3 different color options on it. And it's also small enough that you can take it with you, put it on a nightstand, countertop, your office desk, etc., etc. All right, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this one. As always, thanks for watching it. We'll see y'all in the next video.